Hello guys, welcome back to 3 in 1 vlog. Hope you all are doing super fine. So guys, here is another vlog. I really hope that you like it. Today I'm gonna tell you the easy peasy chicken boneless recipe which you can either use in sandwiches or pastas. First turn on the flame on medium heat and add 2 spoon oil. Let the oil get heat for 10 seconds. After the oil get heated, add 3G paste into it. Those who don't know the meaning of 3G paste is ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Roast the 3G paste for 10 seconds. After roasting, add boneless chicken and cook it for 5 minutes. Then add some salt, black pepper, vinegar and soy sauce. Small circle, private life, happy heart, clear mind, peaceful life. Mix them all well. At last, lower down the flame, cover the pan and let the chicken dissolve all the spices into it.
So guys, I really hope that you like this video. If yes, so please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will catch you in the next vlog.